For your reading lesson today, we're going to be reading in our My Books, The Protective Power of Nature Preserves. Make sure you have your My Book with you because you will be answering questions about this short read. I'm going to go ahead and start reading. All over the world, humans' actions imperil natural areas and the plants and animals in them. As human populations grow, people put the environment at risk by using up natural resources such as trees, water, and land. As people cut trees and build roads, houses, and businesses, natural landscapes disappear. Plants and animals' homes disappear too. However, there is a way to protect endangered species and natural areas. It's called a nature preserve. A protected place for plants and animals. A nature preserve is sometimes called a reserve or a park. It is a place that is protected from harmful human development. Plants are free to thrive as they naturally would, and animals are free to roam. Natural features, such as rock formations and bodies of water, are protected from damage. Within this carefully managed area, plant and animal populations can hold steady or even grow. Governments or private groups protect nature preserves by limiting or controlling human visitors' actions. Hunting, fishing, hiking, and camping may be allowed in some preserves. In others, these activities are prohibited. How nature preserves are created. Nature preserves have been established in many different countries. The first step toward protecting an area comes when an individual or group recognizes it is at risk. These people work to purchase the land or to convince the land's owners or the government to protect it. One way in which the U.S. government can protect a natural area is by making it a national park. Yellowstone Park, formed in 1872, was the first nature preserve created as a U.S. national park. Yellowstone includes land that is part of the states of Idaho, Montana, and Wyoming. It is home to bison, wolves, and other species that need protection. It is also home to natural features such as its famous hot springs. The U.S. government protects Yellowstone's plants, animals, and habitats from human destruction. Why preserves are important to people. Nature preserves provide important benefits for people as well as for the plants and animals that live there. A preserve's trees produce oxygen for us to breathe. Wetlands help control floods by storing water. They strain out pollutants that contaminate human water systems too. Nature preserves also provide scientific and recreational opportunities in Costa Rica. The Monteverde Cloud Forest Reserve draws scientists to study its incredibly varied plant and animal life. The reserve also brings tourists from all directions. People visit the forest to hike its trails, glide through the treetops on zip lines, and view more than 500 species of animals. The other preserves provide quieter pleasures. A city preserve might offer the chance to escape car horns and sidewalks for bird song and dirt paths. In nature preserves, people use natural resources in benevolent rather than harmful ways. By protecting plants, animals, and landscapes, we are protecting nature's balance, which is good for all of us. Okay, you are going to complete this paper. It has 7 questions. The first question is, what is the topic of this selection? You are going to complete the sentence. The topic of this selection is blank. If you are following along with me, then you know the topic is nature preserves. You should be writing the answer in complete sentences. The topic of the selection is nature preserves. What is the main idea or central idea? So if you made it to this part in the video, here is your central idea. And you are writing this for question number 2. Okay, where is the central idea stated? It is not in a section. It is in the introduction. So you are going to write the central idea is stated in the introduction. And then what details Under a protected place for plants and animals, support the central idea. Now you are going into additional sections to look. Then on page 211, you have the other 3 questions to answer. This is a grade.